If you have ever received an SMS verification code, a WhatsApp business message, or an automated call from a company, chances are Twilio was working behind the scenes. In this video, I'll explain what Twilio is, how it works, and why it is still relevant in 2026. In simple terms, what is Twilio? Twilio is a cloud-based communication platform that allows developers and businesses to add messaging, voice, video, and email features into their apps and websites. And instead of building communication systems from scratch, Twilio provides APIs that let apps and SMS make phone calls, host video meetings, or chat on WhatsApp, all with just a few lines of code. In short, Twilio connects software with real-world communication. How does Twilio work? Twilio works through APIs, which are like bridges between your app and telecom networks. Here's a simple example. A user signs up on your app. Your app sends a request to Twilio. Twilio delivers an SMS, call, or WhatsApp message. The user receives it instantly. Twilio handles the infrastructure, phone numbers, routing, and delivery, so developers do not have to deal with telecom companies directly. What is new with Twilio in 2026? In 2026, Twilio is much more than just SMS and calls. Key upgrades include AI-powered customer engagement, smarter chatbots using natural language, omni-channel messaging, SMS, WhatsApp, email, chat in one place, advanced analytics and automation, stronger security and compliance tools. Twilio now focuses heavily on customer experience, not just communication. Who uses Twilio? Twilio is used by startups and SaaS companies, e-commerce stores, banks and fintech apps, healthcare platforms, ride-sharing and delivery apps. Any business that needs reliable communication at scale can benefit from Twilio. Twilio pricing explained simply. Twilio uses a pay-as-you-go pricing model, which means you only pay for what you use. There are no fixed monthly plans for most services. You are charged based on number of SMS messages sent, call minutes used, WhatsApp or email volume, phone numbers rented. This makes Twilio flexible for startups, but costs can increase quickly for high-volume businesses if not optimized. Twilio pros and cons in 2026. Pros: extremely reliable and scalable, supports global communication, powerful APIs and automation, strong AI and analytics tools. Cons: can be expensive at scale, requires technical knowledge, not ideal for non-developers without setup help. Twilio is powerful, but it is not plug and play for everyone. Is Twilio worth using in 2026? Twilio is worth it if you run a SaaS or tech-based business, need multi-channel communication, want full control and customization. But if you want a simple, no-code messaging tool, Twilio might be overkill. Final thoughts. So what is Twilio in 2026? It is a powerful platform that helps businesses communicate smarter, faster, and globally without building complex systems themselves. If you found this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and tell me down below what platform you want me to review next time.